Aaron Rude. Lights out the pace car. American short tracker heat number 2. We're heating up on. You can feel the power. Here they come. Green flag in the air. Russell in the 8 car. Stoltz in the 55, side by side. Oh, Russell shoots up the hill. Stoltz to the early lead. Steve Erickson Jr. in that 68 car. Looks to the inside of that 55 of Shannon Stoltz. Rude making his way up for the party. Kelly Evink in the 98 to the inside. A great battle for the lead. Stoltz hanging on. Erickson sneaks out to the early lead. This is going to be a good. Oh, hang on. Look out, look out. Trouble in turn 4. Shannon Stoltz got a little help, got spun out there in turn 4. 4 laps down in this 8-lap heat race. The lights are out that pace car as he ducks to the infield area. Single file. Erickson Jr. in the 68. Aaron Rude in the number 9. Green flag flies. Kelly Evink in the 98 to the inside of that 55. Remember, oh, look out. Erickson checks out for the early lead. Erickson, your leader. Rude, Stoltz, the tail of the field. They're side by side, trying to make it 3 wide. Now the 98 gets to the outside of the 55. The white flag flies, this time by. Kelly Evink in that 98 wants more. He looks to the inside of David Russell. He's got him. Russell says no. Erickson wins. Rude second. The drag race. The finish. The 98 takes over that spot over the 8 car of David Russell. A couple young gentlemen walking through the stand selling souvenir programs here at the Rockford Speedway. Get one of those, you get a lucky number. We'll name those off a little later tonight and win some prizes. Take home a souvenir of Northern Illinois, Winnebago County's oldest and longest running entertainment facility. 72 years strong here at Rockford Speedway. Thank you for being part of our history and being part of it.